Hey, you guys, you know me, it's Dr. Kristamarie, here to help you feel good, look good, and achieve more. Today, I'm dancing because I've got a special treat. You all have asked me forever for a hair video, and I'm giving you one. If you want to see how I got these curls, then keep on watching. For this look, I already put half the rods in, and I'm showing the other half for time's sake. Starting out on clean, deep conditioned, and blowed out hair. I'm also trying a new product that I got. I'll be using the Mael Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream, along with the Brazilian Curl Mousse. In the back, I sectioned my hair into about quarter sections because I'm using the bigger orange rods here. And we're going to use about a dime size amount of the curl cream and really get it in there. Smooth that baby in there, right? Get those ends. Now I'm going to go through with the diamond brush. Make sure it's smooth. Now for some of this delicious smelling foamy foam. Y'all, it smells like roses. That's why I got that little smirk on my face. So we're gonna brush it again just to make sure that it's smooth. And now I'm gonna slow it down for y'all. And we take the rod and begin to wrap my hair just around the rod in the direction towards my face. So it's important to make sure that you have enough product on your hair for it to wrap and stick to the rod. Then you start to roll the rod until it's snug near your scalp, and you bend the ends in the opposite direction to hold it in place. Easy, right? Yeah, just bend that rod just like that. And, sometimes the ends act a little funny, right? We don't want them frizzy ends. So you can just add a little bit of foam or product to the ends just to make sure they're smooth. Yeah, just like that. Smooth those ends right around and then bend the other end of the flexi rod. And voila, all done. You got it? Good, because now we rocking and rolling. Okay, all right, I'm slowing it down one more time just to see how I'm using the flexi rod. Again, take the rod and wrap the hair around the rod towards the face. Then we're going to slowly roll the rod just until it's comfortably snug on the scalp and bend the ends. And you want to make sure again that your hair ends have enough product and they're nicely smoothed onto the flexi rod. Is that frizz? All right, let's handle that. So let's put some of this foam onto the hair and we're gonna just nicely smooth it down and around the rod. Can you just imagine Soulja Boy's voice saying frizz? Frizz? Okay, all right, for real. All right, that's cool. That looks good now. So we bend that rod and we're done and we gonna boogie on. I decided to put the smaller rods at the front of my hair, and for some reason I only grabbed and used a few blue rods. In the end, I'm going to blend all of the curls, so that's why I like to use a variety of rod sizes. And for this particular style, I wanted to be able to flip my hair to one side, so I made a part on the side that I want my hair to fall towards. So now it's time for bed, and when I have the rods in, I put a satin bonnet over it, just like this. So I'm starting to take out the rollers one by one, and I'm going to slow it down just the little rollers too. As I'm unrolling the hair from the rod, I am unrolling and twisting in the direction of the curl. So I'm going to do this a few more times because, like I said, it can be tricky in the beginning, but once you've done a few, of the Flexi Rods. It's easy to get the hang of it. And you're just twisting and twisting in the direction of the curl, and it gives you a nice little bounce. So we are at the last Flexi Rod, and boy, does that feel good. Whew. Now it's time to unfluff these babies because we love some body. And to help me do that, I'm going to use Jane Carter's Solution Nourish and Shine Cream, which I absolutely adore. A little goes a long way, y'all, and this stuff melts like butter on your fingers. It's great for dry hair, and you can also use it on your skin. It's giving me all the good feels. So we're going to take each curl, split it, and create smaller curls. And the trick is to make sure that you have some product, some oil, something on your fingers while you're unraveling each curl. And you're unraveling each curl, kind of twirling it around and keeping the curl pattern to how you want it. Be gentle, take your time, don't rush.
So we'll do that for every single curl. And now let's go.
All right, so now it's starting to take shape, and I'm going to use my pick to give it a little bit more fluff and to cover up any parts. It just gives it a more natural look. And we'll just fluff around, just at the roots though. Don't go all the way through. And you guys, this hairstyle looks the best on like days 3, 4, 5. This is gonna last me a week and a half to 2 weeks. If there's a particular curl or a few curls that have lost their mojo, we'll just put another Flexi Rod back in and that's it. But I really never set my entire hair. So we'll just recurl that little curl. And now we're going to take a little bit of the Eco Styler gel that I love, just to dab a little bit at the front to give it a sleek look. And it's totally optional. And y'all know about the medium bristle toothbrush, just to smooth it. Now, I don't go all the way down with my baby hairs because I don't have a forehead and I don't need my baby hairs touching my eyebrows. But that's it, y'all. Let me know what you think. Well, be sure to let me know down below if you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you've got other suggestions, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, definitely take this moment to subscribe because I'll be giving you videos each and every week. And be sure to follow me on all social media handles at Dr. Kristamarie. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.